Hello everyone, my name is Inesh and my metric number is CD230162. Now let's start our presentation by having a look at the introduction. Manufacturing industries in Malaysia face rising operational costs, with energy consumption making up a significant share of expenses. Inefficiencies such as energy waste, peak demand penalties, and reactive maintenance reduce productivity and profitability, while carbon compliance adds further pressure. Our project, Smart Grid Optimizer AI, leverages IoT sensors, edge computing, and artificial intelligence to transform these challenges into opportunities. By enabling predictive load shifting, equipment health monitoring, and carbon footprint tracking, the solution helps manufacturers cut costs, improve efficiency, and turn complex mechanical engineering activities into sustainable business growth. Now, let's have a look at the overview of the benchmarking process. The benchmarking process was carried out in four structured phases to ensure a comprehensive understanding of the market and competitive positioning. First, a market landscape analysis identified 18 companies in Southeast Asia offering energy management solutions, categorized by hardware, software, and integrated platforms. Second, a technical capability assessment compared IoT architectures, data processing, and AI sophistication, as well as integration with industrial systems. Third, a business model evaluation examined competitors' revenue models, custom acquisition strategies, and support structures. Finally, gap identification and differentiation highlighted underserved SME segments, technology gaps, and also opportunities for unique value propositions. Key performance indicators such as implementation costs, time to value, customer retention, energy saving, and scalability were used to measure competitiveness and guide strategic positioning.
Okay, let's look at how Smart Grid Optimizer AI compares with competitors. Global players like Siemens MindSphere and Schneider EcoStruxure offer strong integration and support, but they come at very high cost and requires weeks to implement. Local providers such as EcoSync are affordable, but their solutions are basic and lack advanced AI capabilities. Smart Grid Optimizer AI bridges this gap by delivering enterprise-grade features at SME-friendly pricing. With plug-and-play sensors, full development can be achieved in just 5 days. And our platform is localized to Malaysia's tariff structures, languages, and regulations. These combinations of affordability, speed, and advanced analytic set us apart in the market. For target audience, our primary target audience is Malaysian manufacturing SMEs with 50 to 500 employees and monthly energy bills between 20 to 200,000 ringgit. These companies operate in industries such as automotive, plastic, food processing, and electronics, and they are cost conscious but eager for efficiency and sustainability. The key decision makers we focus on are plant managers who care about uptime and productivity, finance directors who look at ROI and cost control, and sustainability officers who drive carbon reduction and ESG reporting. Beyond SMEs, we also target larger enterprises with multiple sites, industrial property developers, and government-linked companies, all of whom value scalable, localized energy solutions.
Hello Dr. Naswa, I'm Kumari Sarabchandra. My medics number is CD230232. Okay, today I'm going to talk about the BMC. So let me short. So in the BMC we have 9 types, which is key partners, key activities, key resource, value proposition, customer relationship, channels, customer segment, and customer structure and revenue streams. So for the example customer relationship, right, we should have a 24 hours client service, and for the key partner is usually the manufacturing of industrial. Key activities we can do all model training and software. So key resource, AI tools and many more lah. So value proposition, we can make a maintenance schedule for more efficiency. Next one, let's move to SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis, we have 4 strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. So the strength that we can develop is technology and innovation. The weakness is limited brand recognition, and the opportunity is market gaps, and the threat is competitive pressure. Okay, this is our organization chart for our Smart Brand AI. So our organization chart, I'm Kumaresh Chandran, the Chief Executive Officer. Inish is the Sales Marketing Partnership. Muhammad Haziq is the Engineering AI ML DevOps, and Gaushigan Support Success Support Compliance. Muhammad Ashraf is the Product Industry and Strategy.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Azri, and I will present this part of presentation called Operational Planning for Smart Grid Optimizer. This slide outlines our operational planning for Smart Grid Optimizer. We adopt a phased operational approach to ensure controlled deployment and scalable growth. Resources are strategically allocated across human, technological, physical, and financial areas to support efficient implementation and reliable service delivery. Human resource represent our largest investment to ensure strong technical and operational capability, while technology resources such as cloud infrastructure and IoT system form the core of our solution. Physical resources are kept lean to control overhead, and financial and intellectual resources support long-term growth through funding, R&D, and certifications. This slide explains our implementation plan for Smart Grid Optimizer. We adopt a phased rollout to validate system performance, establish market presence, and scale operations systematically. The process starts with pre-launch preparation and pilot deployment, followed by market launch and regional growth. Each phase is guided by clear milestones such as client acquisition targets, revenue goals, and system performance benchmarks. Agile execution, structured onboarding, and continuous monitoring help ensure reliable deployment, effective risk control, and continuous operational improvement. Our 36-month roadmap is designed to move us from setup to regional profitability through 5 strategic phases. From the first month until the 4th month, that is our preparation, we begin with a 2-month pre-launch to finalize the product and team, followed immediately by pilot program to validate our system with real client feedback. Month 5 until 9 is our launch process. This is our aggressive market launch. The focus shifts entirely to sales, marketing, and rapid client acquisitions. Month 10 until 18, during the growth phase, we will optimize our operations and build the strategic partnerships necessary for expansions. Month 19 until 36 is scaling. Finally, we enter the scale phase, where we take our proven model into the wider ASEAN market to drive long-term profitability. For the closing, this phase approach ensures we build a solid foundation before scaling across the region. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Zik Asri. Today, I will explain about our financial plan. Our project uses a combine of fixed costs and variable costs to support daily operation and future scalability. Fixed costs include salary, office expense, cloud service, and admission, which amount to Rm22,000 ringgit per month. Variable costs include hardware support and code usage, which are estimated at 5,500 ringgit per month. Overall, this financial structure helps ensure stable operation while allowing costs to be adjusted as the business grows. Next, for this slide, we apply the concept of time value of money. We calculate the present worth using a discount rate of 10% over 3 years. After discounting all cash flow, the total present worth in approximately 615,000 ringgit will show a positive value. Next, we calculate the future worth, which give a total of 818,000 ringgit. Finally, we convert the present worth into annual worth, resulting in about 247,000 ringgit per year. This result indicated that the project is financially viable and profitable. In conclusion, the Smart Grid Optimized AI project demonstrates strong and consistent financial performance when evaluated using various time value of money techniques. The results show that the project is financially viable, profitable, and sustainable, with the returns exceeding the minimum acceptable rate. Additionally, it provides long-term value and stable annual profit. Therefore, based on proper economic engineering principle and financial analysis, this project is justified and recommended for implementation. That's all for me. Thank you.